So I'm told a group of students from select Jamaican schools recently took part in the International Youth Championships in Landover, Maryland, joining over 4,000 athletes from around the world. With this being their first time in an international meet, they were awarded Most Outstanding International Team. So track and field athletes, all from Gainsted. Remember that young lady that was hurt that didn't stop running? She was from Gainsted also. Shakira Reid, put up your hand there, Shakira. Let them see Shakira with one bag of thing wrong. Sienna Whiteley, not Whitley, it's Whiteley.
It's Whitley.
It's Whitley. And somebody did tell me Whiteley. She did tell me Whiteley or somebody. So. And then Natalia Moore. And they're all here. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
How many people were on the team? Let me start with you, Shakira.
There are probably like 12.
12?
Yes.
So how are you getting at this international thing? A coach just called you and said, I represent Jamaica?
Well, my coach, Daryl Gardner, he was the one that introduced us to the meet. We were all excited about it because of foreign. But we wanted to go over there and, compete with other athletes around the world. So we were actually excited about that.
Shakira said, we were all excited to go because of foreign. That's that loud. What discipline do you do?
I do the events. Yeah. I do 4 hurdles, 100 hurdles, and the 4x4.
4 hurdles must be the most difficult event in Japan.
Actually not.
It isn't?
No, to me it's not.
4 hurdles, and what else?
100 hurdles.
100 hurdles.
And the 4x4.
And 4x4. So those were the events you did there?
Yes.
So who you did in all of those? 4 hurdles, what you did?
100 hurdles.
No, 4 hurdles, you win, you come second.
I came third.
You came third.
Yeah.
100 hurdles?
First.
First?
Yes.
And the 4x4?
Third.
Third. All right, move now to Sienna, right?
Yes.
What discipline did you do?
I did the 400, the 200, and the 4x4.
400, 200, and 4x4. How you did in the 400?
I came third.
Okay. 200?
Third.
And 4x4?
4x4, third.
Good, I start calling you 30, Ramp with me, Congrats, so how was it like for you? What was it like for you?
It was exciting because it's my first time a foreign.
First time a
foreign, so yeah.
I like it. Was this an age group thing? How old are you, Shakira?
I'm 16.
So were you in an age group?
Yes, I was.
Under what? Under 17?
It was under 15, 16.
Under 15, 16. You're how old?
I'm 14.
And you were in the same age group?
Yeah.
Okay. Congrats to you too. All right, Miss Nuts, what go on?
I'm all right.
All is well?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Well, I did the 200 hurdles, 200 flats, and the 4x4.
Them about 200 hurdles?
Yeah.
I never see that yet. Yeah? But them to run away with the rest of the hurdle them? How well did you do?
Well, I did so great, and it was awesome for me. And I came home with my medals that I'm glad for.
So the medals are what, bronze?
Yeah, 2 bronze, 1 for 4x4 and 1 for 2 hurdles.
Congrats.
Thank you.
So what, the other athletes came from schools, high schools around the world, there were clubs.
Yeah. Tell
me about it. Tell me what when you reach and see so much people around up and...
Well, I was excited because...
It was foreign, yeah. We know.
Yeah, and it was like other athletes and non-Jamaican athletes. So I said, all right, there's a lot of talented athletes here. I want to see how it's going to go. Yeah. I want to see if I can beat them. So I was really excited.
Yeah. So the 12 from different schools in Jamaica? And different age group, or everybody was at this age group?
Different age
group. So you beat Jamaicans also? Jamaicans would have been involved in your races, or just international people?
Just international.
Just international? So how you feel when you're down at the blocks, you run against people from Harvard? Natalie, you look like you would get nervous. You get nervous?
It was kind of scary, but I overcome that. It was I was like shaking. I was like, oh, Father God, please just cover me and run. And I was like, I got this, man, because this is what I came over here to do, to conquer my fears, and went out there and I did well and I came
beautiful.
third.
What about you? You were nervous also at the start?
I wouldn't say I was nervous, but we did frightened for the track.
You did frightened for the track? What the track there? What color it was?
Black.
So you mean by you were, seriously, what do you mean by you were scared of the track?
Well, we go on the track and run. I couldn't wait for go on it. So,
yeah, nice.
I was hurt again.
Oh. How about you? You were nervous also?
I was nervous. It was a little bit of both, but this is what I wanted. This is one of my goals to show people what Jamaicans are aware of, like what we can do. And I just went out there and did my best and made my coach proud and my family and my team.
Yeah, man. All three, you want to be professional athletes?
Yes.
Yes.
In the disciplines, which one you going to choose?
4 hurdles.
400.
2 hurdles.
2 hurdles, only that meet the alone and the 2 hurdles. All right? Congratulations.
Thank you.
And good luck as you move on.
Thank you.
Sit with us for a while. Track and field athletes, Shakira Reid, Sienna Whitley, and Natalia Moore.
Them a jingle like bell over there.
Yeah, another athlete, Simone Clark Cooper. That's it for the show, by the way. Thank you all so very
Who
much.
give you a joke?
She'll be
You can run. You only run when dog have chase you.